Hey everybody, it's Scott with the Knowles Wolsey team at RE/MAX, and today I'm at LakeView Condominiums at 111 Worsley Street in downtown Barrie. Phenomenal location, surrounded by all your daily amenities here. Some of Barrie's best restaurants in the farmers market are steps away. Today we're up at one of my favorite features, the rooftop patio. Tons of outdoor space, gas barbecue, unbelievable views of the water. Now enough about the amenities, come check out this suite. You're gonna love how open and bright this suite is. It's got 10-foot ceilings, total open concept design, and is surrounded by windows. Check this out. You're gonna love the outdoor space in this suite. You got all kinds of room for living and dining. One of the best views in the city at night as well as during the day. Check out the water. It's so rare to find units this big and this well upgraded. For more information on this suite and others like it, check out our website.